What's up, sunshine? Today is another day and another video. So, for today's video, we are doing mango float. I'm Adeline Joy Custodio. Welcome here in my channel. So, let's go and make mango float. What I have here is mango, thick cream, and condensed creamer. And that's the only thing that they have at the store. And container. And of course, we have the Grahams. Honey Graham crackers, diba? Di mawawala ito. This is actually my first time making mango float, but I've seen my friend make it, so I just want to share you this little recipe of mango graham, and it's a Filipino dessert, so you're gonna like it. It seems really easy to make and have fun making food. So don't be afraid of making anything. Just uh, keep trying. That's my advice to you. Keep trying, okay? And then we just shake the thick cream. So I just poured this thick cream and that's how it looks like. So we're gonna emulsify this thick cream by just mixing it in here. So keep mixing until you get the nice texture. See, the texture now is different to how it was earlier. It's getting thicker. Next up, it's our condensed creamer. Satisfying, guys. Now we're stirring and mixing them both together. And I use this little spatula that I have. It's a mini version, so I can get in the can of the condense. Look at how beautiful this mango looks. It's actually really nice and sweet, which is perfect. Ayan, kalalagay lang natin ng graham sa base. Then we're gonna put our cream. Yung cream na ginawa natin earlier. I'm gonna put that in. So I'm gonna use a ladle para makes it easier for me. Ayan. We're gonna be doing it layer by layer. I'll put this one first. It's covered. Yeah. Next, we're gonna put our mango. We're gonna layer our mango nicely. Para every bite may makagat. And then we're gonna layer it. Gonna put it on top. Diba? Gawin natin ganito. Ayan. Gawin natin maayos na this time. Ayan. So we're gonna put our last layer. Lagay natin yung maayos. Buo dyan. Ayan. So, may natira pang crackers. I put it in a Ziploc. Tapos, i-crush natin yan. Tapos, ilagay natin sa pouch. So, put it in the Ziploc to make it easier and crush it. And then, we're gonna put it on the top of our mango float. So satisfying, guys. Okay, so now it's all crushed. It's time to put it on top of the gratin. So diba? It's looking so nice na, oh. What do you think, guys? And here's our mango float. We're gonna pop it in the freezer. And we'll see you in the next video.